glad to introduce our metal grinders. Enjoylife. Enjoylife brand. 15 mm 4 parts and 3 parts is available. And color, we just specialize in 2 colors, black and stainless. Now we can test it, can design it. Yeah, the teeth is dense. Okay, the dense. You can see zinc alloy. These are zinc alloy for price. Yes. Okay. The back one vapor. This one. Okay, I can show you the another material like aluminum grinder. You can see that. Yes. CNC tech. Yes, the quality is very good. You can make a big difference with it. This one. And I will show you. Okay, I will show you the big one handle. The handle rubber grinders. I really like it. Wow. CNC spare teeth and the small size about 40 mm and 63 mm black color. Yes, I think you really like this. Is like a board, 100 mm. You can see it. Really nice. It's so big. Okay. All these glass water pipes and metal grinders, handle size, zinc alloy and aluminum material. The swarm markings and parts, knob and others. So I like to suggest you